Sweden unveils its future fighter jet. Saab's next-generation stealth aircraft changes everything.
Sweden unveils its future fighter jet. Saab's next-generation stealth aircraft changes everything. Sweden has quietly pulled back the curtain on what could become one of the most advanced combat aircraft programs in Europe, and it's far more radical than a simple replacement for the Gripen. At the International Fighter Conference, IFC 2025 in Rome, aerospace giant Saab revealed a series of never-before-seen designs developed under Sweden's Future Combat Aircraft concept, known as Konceptet Framtidens Stridsflyg, or KFS. While there was no dramatic stage reveal, no prototype rolling onto a runway, the implications of what was shown are enormous. What Sweden is building may not be a single fighter jet at all. It may be an entire future air combat system, combining manned stealth fighters, unmanned combat aircraft, artificial intelligence, and autonomous operations, all designed to replace the Saab Gripen E in Swedish Air Force service in the decades ahead. Six future fighters, not one. According to Saab's display, the company is currently working on 6 different conceptual aircraft designs. These are not paper fantasies, they are structured concepts developed under contract for Sweden's defense authorities. The 6 designs are split evenly between 3 manned fighter aircraft, 3 unmanned combat aircraft. The manned designs are single-seat fighters, signaling that Sweden still sees a role for human pilots at the center of air combat, but supported by advanced automation and AI. The unmanned designs, however, suggest something more disruptive: aircraft that can operate without a pilot at all, taking on the most dangerous missions in heavily defended airspace. Only the forward fuselage sections were shown publicly, but even that limited view revealed a crucial detail. Every design incorporates low absorbency stealth characteristics. Some appear more aggressively stealthy than others, suggesting Saab is exploring multiple levels of survivability, cost, and mission focus. This is not a one-size-fits-all fighter program. It's a portfolio of options. A strategic shift for Swedish air power. In March 2024, Sweden's Defense Materiel Administration, or FVM, formally contracted Saab, along with GKN Aerospace, which is responsible for studying future propulsion systems. The goal is not to rush into production, but to give Sweden the technical foundation needed to make long-term fighter decisions in an increasingly unstable security environment. The program is structured in phases. Phase 1, already completed, focused on broad concept exploration, defining what future air combat might demand. Phase 2, now underway, moves into technology development and flying demonstrators, where ideas begin turning into real aircraft. This phased approach allows Sweden to adapt as technology evolves, rather than locking itself into a single design too early. Built around autonomy, AI, and stealth, Saab has made it clear that the future Swedish fighter will not be defined by speed or raw maneuverability alone. Instead, it is being designed around a set of next-generation capability drivers that reflect how air combat is changing. Autonomy and artificial intelligence are central. These aircraft are expected to manage sensors, electronic warfare, and mission planning at speeds no human could handle alone. Stealth is no longer optional. Robust low observability is baked into every concept.
Internal weapons bays are standard, preserving stealth while carrying modern precision weapons. Just as important is rapid prototyping. Saab wants the ability to test, iterate, and upgrade designs faster than traditional fighter programs, avoiding decades-long development cycles. Under the skin, the aircraft will rely on next-generation propulsion, advanced onboard power generation, and improved cooling systems, all critical for supporting energy-hungry sensors, AI processors, and future directed energy weapons. A system, not just a jet. Perhaps the most important revelation is that Sweden's future fighter will not operate alone. Saab envisions a system of systems where manned fighters, unmanned aircraft, and other assets work together as a single combat network. Unmanned platforms could scat ahead, jam enemy sensors, or strike high-risk targets, while piloted aircraft act as command nodes and decision-makers. Saab has even confirmed that more than one flying demonstrator may be built, allowing Sweden to test different approaches in parallel, manned, unmanned, or hybrid. This flexibility is rare, and it reflects Sweden's desire to stay strategically independent while remaining technologically competitive with major air powers. Timeline: slow, deliberate, and dangerous for rivals. The current study phase will continue through 2030, allowing Saab and its partners to mature technologies and refine designs. Full-scale development is expected to begin from 2031 onward. That may sound far away, but in fighter development terms, it's already close. By the time many nations are still debating their sixth-generation requirements, Sweden will already have multiple concepts flying. Why this matters. Sweden did not announce a new sixth-generation fighter with flashy marketing or cinematic trailers. Instead, it revealed something more serious: options. Manned or unmanned, single aircraft or multiple types, stealth-focused or autonomy-driven. This is a future-proof strategy, one that accepts uncertainty and builds flexibility into the heart of national defense. The Gripen was designed to survive in contested airspace with limited resources. Its successor may be designed to dominate a battlefield where pilots are no longer always on board. And that changes everything. Sweden didn't just tease a new fighter jet. It revealed a vision of air combat where AI thinks faster than humans, unmanned aircraft fly into the deadliest zones, and stealth is the baseline, not the advantage. The future of air power isn't coming loudly. It's arriving quietly, and Sweden is already there.